Okay. All right. I wanted to see how easy it is to put these original large drop front shoe boxes together. So I got a package of 6, and it's kind of like a live feed, whatever. Plan on putting 6 shoes, 6 total shoes, in the container boxes. Win like 96. Take this out. I think I'm gonna do 13 He Got Games. This here. What else we got? You gotta do the Concords. That's a must. It's a must you do the Concords. So the Concords are gonna come in here with this here. What else we got? What else we got? Oh. Jordan 4. This is Jordan 4. Jordan 4 retro breads. Gotta put that in there. Just to the side. And people may or may not know this box is dear and true to me. It's been a while since I've seen these, and there we go. Jordan 11 cap and gowns. You can see the theme here. It's going to be Jordan 11 because I got quite a few Jordan 11s. And I think the last one, let me see. More breads. Jordan bread 6. So, got quite a few of them. Again, we're doing this live. No cuts, no nothing. It's my first time actually doing this. I want to see how easy it is. Let me just put this down here. Saying goodbye to the beloved boxes because these shoes probably will not go for resale, at least not through me. Now, let's see. Doing the unboxing. At least the live unboxing. Just tap the screen. There we go. All right. We can see it does come just like this. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh wow, make this simple. So actually, it's already pre-assembled. I can just put it down in here. So here's one. Got one here. Myself. Let's see here. Boom, boom. Here's 2. Here's 3. 4. 6 now. Put that there. Now, this right here. Alright, so here's my containers. Now here's the thing. Some of these containers just requires you to pop these back in. So that is what I'm going to do. It's pretty easy. Alright, so we got 6. So, will all these shoes fit in these boxes? Uh-oh. Missing something here. There we go. always check the box. There's missing one here. Alright. Will all these shoes fit in here? I am curious to find out myself. So, how am I going to do this? For now, I'm going to do 6 and then do another 6 later on. Probably next week, actually. So, if I'm looking at this right, according to what people were saying, these should be able to slide in easily. So, let's see here. This goes in here this way. Almost just like a box. So, okay, see the Jordans, let me put the 11s in. It's only right that the 11s go in first. So at the top, I think I'm going to put my cap and gowns. Right here, deck. Cap and gowns, Concords. I think I'm going to do one like 96 down here. Okay. Go. Let me see. Got that at bread fours. Bread fours got to be in here. Bread 4 is on deck. Bread 6 is the next. You know what? On deck. And then he got games, which I'll put down here. And it's pretty simple.